सो गाइस गुड मॉर्निंग दिस इज सूरज आनंद प्यारे बच्चों आज माय डियर चिल्ड्रन टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू द स्टेप्स टू फॉलो द बैलेंस केमिकल इक्वेशन सो दीज आर द स्टेप्स you have to be just follow out the balance chemical equation I am going to teach you the balance chemical equation so the balance chemical steps to follow the balance chemical equation steps to follow the balanced chemical equation. First of all, you have to be write down the steps to follow the balance equation. First of all, you have to write down the skeletal equation of the reaction. Like that, C plus O2, that is CO2. And you can write that is carbon plus oxygen, that is carbon dioxide. Like that. Then find out the number of atom of each type on each side of the equation. How many number of atom? There is one atom, there is two atoms, one atom and two atoms. After that, make a table. You can draw the table like this. Element, number of atom in reactant, number of atom in product. This is the first step, this is the first step, this is the second step, and this is the third step. After that, you can count the number of atom. There is a carbon element and oxygen. In carbon there is one atom, in oxygen two atom. In carbon there is one atom, in oxygen two atom. Therefore, it is balanced or not? It is already equalized the number of atom. There is equal number of atom 3 and 3. So this is the balanced chemical equation. Examine the above equation. You can examine the equation. Write down the physical state of the equation. So carbon plus oxygen, that is carbon dioxide. This is solid substance, and this is oxygen gaseous, and this is carbon dioxide gas. So you can write this. After that, write the physical state of the equation. This all. After that, you can finally cross it. That these are the number of atoms of 3 and the number of atoms of 3. According to the law of conservation of mass. According to the law of conservation of mass can neither be created nor be destroyed. First of all, you have to write down the name of equation. Suppose that zinc plus sulfuric acid. Another example. Then you can write zinc sulfate. This is the first one. After that, you can write the zinc plus dilute H2SO4, that is ZnSO4. After that, you can make a table. You can just draw the table like this. Element, reactant, atom in reactant, atom in product. Right here zinc, hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen. Zinc is 1, hydrogen is 2, sulfur is 1, oxygen is 4. Zinc is 1, sulfur is 1, ZnSO4, and sorry, there is S2 also. After that, you can write the S2 and oxygen. Both are 4, 2, 1, 5, or 2, 6, and 1, 7. 8, sorry, 8. There is 8 also. After that, first one, second one, third one. Then, product side, we can balance it. Actually, that is balance above the equation and finalize it. Write down the physical state. You can write down the physical state of aqueous form, aqueous, and this is gaseous. Then, write down the final balance equation, that is Zn plus H2SO4 solid aqueous plus ZnSO4 plus. This is all about the steps to balance the chemical equation. We take some few examples also. Right now, I am going to teach you by the few examples. So, my dear students, let's come to see the different example. How can we just check out the different balance chemical equation? There are few certain examples. I am giving you. I am trying to give some steps wise. First of all, let's see the example of. Let's see the example of methane plus oxygen. Number one example, methane plus oxygen. That is for the reaction is given as give balance equation for the reaction methane is burning in air and give carbon dioxide in water. CO2 plus H2. That is carbon dioxide. This is step number 1 plus water. Then you can write the equation CH4 plus O2. You can write here carbon dioxide plus H2. After that you draw the table here like this. This is the name of element. Name of element. After that you can write the number of atom in the reactant LHS, number of atoms in product, that is RHS. Mark it. How many number of atoms? There is carbon, there is hydrogen, and there is oxygen. Number of atom in, that is 1, hydrogen is 4 and oxygen is 2. Number of atom, carbon is 1, oxygen is 2 and hydrogen is 2. So this is not the balance. This is not the balance. So how can we balance it? Let's first start. Where is the number of atoms is lowest? In carbon it is equal. In oxygen there is 2. You can write here there is 2. Oxygen becomes 2. Oxygen becomes 2. There is 1 already, sorry. And it becomes 2. That is balance. Hydrogen also becomes 4. But there is oxygen. The number of oxygen is 2 and is 2 4. Sorry. The number of oxygen is 2 is to 4. So we can write here 2 and 2. That is 4. Our number of oxygen is there is 2. We can write here 4. After that there is you see there is 2 oxygen. So we balance it and we write it. The number of atom is 9 and the number of atom is 9. This is the first step, second step, third step, fourth step, count the equation, fifth step to write down the balance chemical equation both the sides. Just write it CH4 plus 2O2, that is CO2 plus 2H2. After that you write the CH4 plus 2O2, CO2 plus 2H2. This is a liquid, this is a gas, this is a gas, and this is a solid substance. So you can write here the different modes of equation. So you can write the finally by the balance equation, that is CH4 plus 2O2 and that is CO2 plus 2H2. Next equation I am going to teach you the reaction between the reaction. Write down the equation of ferric oxide when it react with the ferric oxide react with. There is a equation. I am going to write the equation and try to solve it. Fe plus S2O, Fe3O4 plus S2. Fe plus 4S2O. Fe plus S2O, Fe plus S2O, Fe plus S2O, Fe plus S2O. You write here Fe plus S2O. You write the balance the equation Fe3O4 plus S2. Fe3O4 plus S2. How can you balance? Just write down first iron plus water. It gives, this is the first step, it gives ferric oxide plus hydrogen. After that you write Fe, second step, plus S2O. Write here Fe3O4 plus S2. In the third step, as we understand that, draw the equation. That is name of element, number of atoms in reactant, LHS, number of atoms in products, that is RHS. Right, that is the fourth step. Fourth step, write down the name of element, Fe, hydrogen and oxygen. Fe is there, 1, hydrogen is 2 and oxygen. Right there, Fe is 3, oxygen is 4 and hydrogen is 2. So first of all, there is 3 Fe. Fe is 3. So put there 3. You also cross there 3. This is balance. Oxygen is 4. So you write there is 4 oxygen. Fe3O4. Oxygen is 4. Oxygen is 4 there. And hydrogen is 2. Hydrogen is 2. So that is, you write there. This is the second step. Second step, third step. So you see there is hydrogen is 2 and oxygen 2. That is oxygen becomes 4. After that, when our oxygen becomes 4, it becomes 8. 4 to the 8. So we write here 4. 8. The valence equation, count the valence equation, 8, 3, 11, 1, 4, 15, 8, 3, 11 and 15. Both the follow the rule of valence equation. Now write down the 3 Fe plus 4S2, then you write Fe3O4 plus 4S2. Now 6 step, 3 Fe plus 4S2, then Fe3O4 plus 4S2. Yes, and here I get solid and this is liquid. Finally write down the equation that you can change it here, Fe3 Fe 4S2O that is 4S2, that is solid, that is liquid, that is aqueous and that is gas. So all about these are the examples. So student, this is I am giving you 3 examples, 4 examples of balanced chemical equation. This is your homework today. You can do it your more than 20 equations. Balance it in a stepwise. There is how many steps? There are 7 steps. 7 steps. So my dear students, I am going to clear it that step to balance equation. If you are going to make practice, lots of to balance the chemical equation, then it should be prepared for your examination. But remember the 118 elements, name with symbols, 50 to 100 compounds, chemical and general formulas. So these are the very important first step, second step, and this is the third step. So my dear students, this is all about steps to balance the chemical equation. So there are few questions there. There are few questions of NCERT. I am going to solve it. Why sodium magnesium ion is clean before burning in lead? Question number first. Today I am going to teach you the questions also of NCERT, and you give your comments. You give your comments and your views that how can you just give the balanced chemical equation. So guys, it is going to be prepared that it is going to be prepared that how NCERT questions page number NCERT questions, that is page number 6. Question number 1. Question number 1 is, why should a magnesium ribbon be cleaned before burning in air? Why should a magnesium ribbon be cleaned before burning in air? So my dear student, magnesium ribbon is very important for burning. So magnesium ribbon, why magnesium ribbon is cleaned before burning in air? Let's see the example here and take the examples also. You take the when magnesium burn in the presence of oxygen, it gives magnesium oxide. That is a white powder. But when magnesium comes in contact of air, it forms a layer of magnesium oxide, which prevents burning